Hello, my name is Gethyn, I work for EIS, and I'm going to give you some top tips about how to learn English. First of all, what you need to do is find a boyfriend or a girlfriend that speaks only in English. If you can't do that, then I'm afraid you're going to have to get these little pieces of paper and find some time to sit down and study in this way. Now, Mariangels has given me some pieces of paper with some words that she wants me to learn in Catalan. She says that they're very easy. Let's see. Kitchen towel. A sugarman's. Okay, that's a difficult one. So I'm going to put it here with the difficult ones. Fight. That's easy. Everybody knows that. You eat that. So that one goes there. Bed. Yeet. That goes there. That's easy. Dog. Dog is gos. Okay, that's going to go in this pile. So as you can see, I'm making 3 piles. The difficult ones,